Hello and welcome to the Content Creation video course. For this first tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple formula for your ebook content creation. I like to call this rule the 5x5 formula. This simply means your content should at least have 5 points where each of the points will have another 5 subpoints. Let me illustrate an example for you. Let's say you're publishing content on how to create your ebook. Your content should have 5 main points, which I have listed accordingly. Then each of the main points, for example, the first point, creating content, will have a breakdown of another 5 points. This applies to all of the main points of your content. This will speed up your content creation journey and you will never go wrong. Welcome back. In this video tutorial, you will be learning how to format your ebook. We'll be focusing on how you can set your page margin, header, and footer, as well as the Shift+Enter formula. First is to set your document's margin. On the top of the Word document, click on Layout. Then you'll see a number of options. Click on Margins, select Normal. Now you are able to see that the document is aligned according to the margin. Next is inserting your header and footer. Click on View and select Header and Footer. Then your header and footer will appear. You can then type in your preferred header and footer. For this tutorial, I inserted content creation videos. What you type in will automatically sync with the number of pages that you have in your ebook. You can then click Close when you are done. Next is the Shift+Enter formula. This formula is important as it enables you to type in a new line and not a new paragraph. Let me illustrate an example for you. I have typed in a short paragraph and have come to the end of the page. I use the Shift+Enter formula, and it enables the content to remain in the same paragraph without adding any unnecessary gaps or spaces. By using the Shift+Enter formula, especially when you have reached the end of the page, you are able to avoid unnecessary spaces between paragraphs as your content is dragged further down when you choose to use the Enter key. Hello and welcome back. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to create your table of contents in a systematic way. Your content will appear in a more organized and easy to comprehend manner. First, on top of your Word document, click on Document Elements. You'll then be directed to Table of Content. Then you are able to view a small arrow heading downwards. Click on the arrow. A list of automatic table of content will show. You may then select whichever heading you want to apply on your table of content. For this video tutorial, I'm selecting Classic as my heading. As you can see, your table of content is yet to be completed as there are no entries yet. Therefore, the next step is to insert entries to your table of content. I've already typed in 5 different sections to be inserted. You now need to click on the Home option on your document. Then head to Styles. Before you click on anything, make sure you highlight the first sentence or heading of your section. In this case, it's Creating Content. Select Heading 1. As you can see, our first heading is now enlarged and is formatted. Continue to apply the same rule to all of the different sections. Now all of the first headings are prominent compared to the others. The next step is to highlight your second heading. When you've highlighted the subheading, head on to Styles and click on Heading 2. Your subheading is now formatted, but slightly smaller than your first heading. Apply the same rule to all the subheadings in your document. When you're done, each of your sections now have their main heading and subheading that is clearly distinguishable. To complete the table of content, head back to the table of content that we have set up earlier on. Then click on Table of and select Update Table. Your table is now linked to your headings and is completed. This is a very effective method to organize your content. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to create your ebook cover using a site known as Canva.com. This is very easy to use, especially for beginners. The first step is to head onto the site and register for an account. You can either sign up with Facebook, Google, or email. When you've set up your account, you can then proceed to log into the site. When you have logged in, at the left-hand side of the site, click on Create a Design. You will then be directed to Popular Design Types, where there are various designs for you to choose from. As we are focusing on creating an ebook cover, select Ebook. On the ebook page, you are able to view a blank canvas in the middle. Then on the left-hand side, there will be several options such as Layout, Elements, Text, Background, and Uploads. First, let's explore Layout. This option includes various designs for your ebook cover. Next is Elements. This option has 9 different categories to customize your cover. This includes free photos, grids, frames, shapes, lines, illustrations, icons, charts, and I love Canva. Let's click on Free Photos, for example. There are many free photos you can choose from to insert your cover. For frames, you are also able to choose different frame types for your cover. Next is Text. Text provides you different designs for your fonts. This includes your heading, subheading, and body texts. Most importantly, many of them are free. For background, you can select any background of your choice to insert on your ebook cover. Last but not least is Uploads. Uploads enables you to upload your own images from your computer to create your cover. Now let's start creating our ebook cover by clicking on Layout. The design that you choose will appear on the blank canvas in the middle of the page. As you can see, there are layouts that are freely provided for you, and there are designs that you need to purchase. Now you need to select a design. When you've selected your design, you may also edit the captions on the cover according to your ebook content. For this video tutorial, I'll change the title to Learning to Create an eBook on Your Own. You may also edit the author's name as well as the other minor descriptions of the cover. As mentioned before, you may also select different text styles apart from the ones readily available on the layout covers. You can also change the background according to your preference. But for this tutorial, I will stick to the original cover design provided. When you are done with your cover design, you can now download it. Click the Download button on the top of the page. You are then given a choice to save your file in JPEG, PNG, PDF, or PDF print. Select PNG, then click Download. Your file is now being saved and it will take several seconds. When it's downloaded, your ebook cover is now good to go and ready to use. Hello and welcome back. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to properly insert the ebook cover you have created on Canva.com. The first step is to head to the top of your Word document and click on Layout. Then proceed to click on Size, where it will display a number of document measurements. Select A4 as your standard document size. The next step is to insert the cover image you have created on Canva. Click on Insert and select Photo. Click on Picture from File. Search for the cover you have created and insert it in your document. When your cover image is inserted, click on the image. You will notice that a Format Picture option will appear on top of the document. Head to Wrap Text and make sure you select Behind Text. Then on the right-hand side of your document, the document size is displayed. You need to adjust the height and width of your cover image to A4 size, aligning it with the overall document size. The height of your image should be 29.7 centimeters, while the width is 21 centimeters. Now you may see that your cover image size is changed to A4. Click on the image and adjust it more to fit the document. However, you may notice that the size of your image may change slightly when you are adjusting the image to fit the document. That is completely fine. All you need to do is tweak the height and width of your image until it fits. Usually, the size will vary plus or minus 1.0. How to detect if you have properly inserted your ebook cover? This is when you can see no white lines on the sides as well as the top and bottom of your document. This means your cover image has occupied the whole space of the blank page. You are then good to go. How to convert to PDF and password protect your ebook. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps in converting your Word document to PDF as well as password protecting your completed ebook. The first step is to head to the top of your document and click on File. Then there will be a number of options for you to choose from. Select Export. When you have clicked on Export, you will then have two options, which is Create PDF XPS Document and Change File Type. Select Create PDF XPS Document. A window will pop up once you have clicked on the selection. This window will enable you to select where you want to save your exported file. To make it easier for you to search for your file, I recommend you save it on your desktop. The next step is to password protect your ebook. You can see on the right-hand side of the pop-up window there is an Options button. Click on it and a small pop-up window will appear. Under PDF Options, tick on the box that says Encrypt the document with a password. Then click OK. A window will pop up asking you for your password. Type in your preferred password and re-enter your password. When you are done, click OK. Then proceed to click Publish. Your document is now saved in PDF version and is secured. I recommend that you cross-check your saved document. When you open your document, a password will be required before you can view the content. When you have typed in your password correctly, you can then access your document and its full content.